What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Kush Review. Today I had a little nature hike slash use the pivot kind of video idea, but it's raining like nobody's business. So instead of a hike, I think we're gonna just get some nice little B-roll of the rainy atmosphere, and then we'll go ahead and apply some lip balm together at the end. Hope you guys enjoy. everybody? We made it to the spot. Made it to my little area. And before I get this rip going, I just wanted to set something in stone here in this video, because I say it a lot in my brain, but I want it to be in video so I can look back on this and yeah, that's mainly the reason I make these videos. I'd like to look back on it in the future and think, wow, that's really how I was living. That's what I was doing. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. These are kind of documenting my life. So I just wanted to say that I will be successful and I'm destined for greatness. And I just know I am. And with this kind of attitude, I have no other option. Greatness is the only option for me. And I just wanted to let you guys know that. I mean, it might not be evident right now from the car that I'm driving, the shirt that I'm wearing, the stuff that I smoke, you know, it all is just materialistic, but I just know I'm destined for greatness, y'all. And if you have the same mentality and you work hard, you're destined for greatness too. So that was my shitty little inspirational talk. And yeah, I just want to look back on this video and be like, wow, I was right. I was destined for greatness, because I know I am. All right. All right, let's go ahead and get to it, y'all. It's feeling like a blue or a red kind of day. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go red. Cheers, everybody. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're applying some I can't say nothing. I hope you got your blunt, your pipe, your cart, your bong, your fucking anything. Whatever you got, now's the time. Cheers. Ooh. And you know what? We're putting it on rainbow mode just because it's a rainy day. And also, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, you guys. Cheers. Bam. Done. So yeah, man. Anyone can be destined for greatness. If you believe hard enough and work hard enough, I think that we can do it. And I think that's going to be it. That's going to be the end of a little car ride sesh, you feel me? And yeah, no matter how bad the day is feeling, you still got to get up and go get it. And that's word to the boy Pizza Brian. Alright, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your Saturday. And I wish good things for all of you. Cheers. Goodbye.